This is my quince tree. It's a Serbian gold, and I've taken most of the fruit off because I got down here this morning and I noticed that two or three of the fruits had come off in those heavy winds we had yesterday. And I've picked most of the quinces off the tree now, and there they all are, golden, greeny golden. They start off as green on the tree and then they turn golden. And there's a few still on there, you can just see there. Um, so I'll pick those. I'm a little worried because the tree is leaning ever so slightly. So it should be okay. I mean, it's well established. It's 3 years in the ground, but I'd prefer it go up straight because I don't want it leaning on this strawberry enclosure too much. So I might put a stake in the ground and try and train it the other way. That could be the way forward. And then come the winter, I'll lop a few of these branches off and prune it. So hopefully we'll get more vigorous growth next year. What I'll do with these quince is take them home. Is it quince or quinces? I'll have to check that out. But anyway, I'll take these home and then prepare them to boil them and to stew them down. And they turn pink in the saucepan and they fill the house with this lovely smell. And then it's the most extraordinary taste, quince. It's unlike anything other. It's like any other fruit you might try. Very nice.